Hello everyone, I am T. Kosleraman, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology from V.S.B. College, Karo. Today we are going to discuss about Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. First one is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. AI is technology that enables computers and machines to simulate human learning, comprehension, problem solving, decision making, creativity and autonomy. Next one is application and devices equipped with AI can see and identify objects. AI can easily understand and respond to human languages. AI and ML are transforming the world, revolutionizing industries and impacting everyday lives. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, AI and ML are shaping the futures. Next thing is, what is AI? AI encompasses various techniques including machine learning, deep learning and natural language processing. First thing is, what is machine learning? Machine learning algorithm that enable computers to learn from data without explicit programming languages. Next thing is deep learning algorithm. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It can be used for with multiple layers, input layer, hidden layers and output layers. Next one is natural language processing. Natural language processing means the ability of computers to easily understand, interpret and generate human languages. Next thing is benefits of AI. AI offers numerous benefits including improved accuracy, increased efficiency and new possibilities. First one is automation. Automation means AI computers automates repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources for more complex endeavors. Next thing is enhanced accuracy. Enhanced accuracy means data sets and identify patterns leading to more accurate prediction and decision making. Last one is innovations mean the development of new products and services. Next title is real-time examples of AI. First real-time examples of virtual assistants, autonomous vehicles, healthcare, smart home devices, finance and banking, robotics, gaming and entertainment, language translation, education, retail. First thing is virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is nothing but they use natural language processing to understand and respond to voice commands or text input from users. Example like Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, Google Assistant and Microsoft Cortana are AI-powered software applications. This task is for setting reminders, scheduling tasks, providing weather updates, etc. Second thing is autonomous vehicle. Autonomous vehicle use AI algorithm, sensor like as a radar and GPS global positioning system used for to reduce accident by eliminating human error and optimize traffic flow, potentially decrease congestion and fuel consumption. That is known as autonomous vehicles. Next thing is healthcare diagnostics. So medical imaging, AI analyzes medical images such as X-rays, CT scans and MRI to assist radiologists in detecting abnormalities and making more accurate diagnosis. So efficiency and accuracy mean AI-powered diagnostic tools can enhance diagnosis speed, reduce human error and improve patient outcomes by providing timely and reliable insights into medicinal conditions. Next real-time example for smart home devices. Smart home devices enable smart home devices to automate tasks like thermostat, lighting, security system based on user preferences and behaviors patterns. Next one is fifth one, finance and banking. Finance and banking mean AI algorithm analyze market data in real time to market trending decisions such as buying or selling stocks, currencies or commodities. So enhanced customer service means AI-driven chatbots handle customer inquiries. Next thing is, sixth point is robotics. Robotics means autonomous operation. AI enables robot to perform tasks independently by processing sensory data and making decisions based on environmental cues. Example, assembly lines, healthcare, surgical robots, agriculture, harvesting, and space exploration, example planetary rovers. Seventh one is gaming and entertainment. Gaming and entertainment means two things is there, realistic simulations and content generation. Realistic simulation means AI enables realistic simulations and virtual worlds, everything enhanced immersion and realism in video games and virtual reality and augmented realities. Next one is language translation. Tools example Google Translate can be easily translate different kinds of languages to provide accurate translation in real time for text, speech, images, videos, etc. So next thing is impact of language translation means break down language barriers and facilitate global communication. Next thing is education. Today we are going to utilize various different kinds of AI tools using education department, adaptive learning, platform tailors exercise based on student performance. AI tools mean grade assignments, provide feedback and tutor students, example Google Class, Zoom Meet, etc. Next one is retail. Recommendation system. AI power system suggests products based on customer behaviors. In-store robots mean assist with inventory management and customer service. Next thing is current trends in AI and ML. Four things is current trends of AI ML. First thing is natural language processing. Second thing is computer vision. Third one is Edge AI. Fourth one is generative AI. What is NLP? Already we have discussed NLP. NLP means the ability to understand and generate human languages, powering chatbots, language translation and text summarization. That is known as natural language processing. Next thing is computer vision. Computer vision allows AI to see and interpret images, videos, enabling applications like facial recognition, object detection and medical imaging analysis. Third one is Edge AI. Edge AI brings AI capabilities to device at the edge of the network, enabling real-time network processing and decision making in autonomous system and with IoT devices, Internet of Things. Fourth one is generative AI. Generative AI models are capable of creating new content like text, images and music, pushing boundaries in creative industries. Next title is machine learning algorithms. So it is a subset of AI. So machine learning algorithms are powerful tools for solving wide range of problems in various fields. This machine learning can be two categories. One is supervised learning and then unsupervised learning. So supervised learning means it can be consist of labeled data, predicting outputs, mapping inputs to outputs, prediction for new data. What is labeled data? Labeled data means this kind of data are trained on labeled data where the output or target variable is known as labeled data. Next thing is predicting output. Predicting output means the model learns to predict the target variables from input features by finding patterns in the training data. Next thing is mapping inputs to outputs. To learn mapping from inputs to output, that means input layer, hidden layers, output layer. Next one is prediction for new data. The output of supervised learning is prediction for new unseen data based on learned patterns. Second category of unsupervised learning of machine learning algorithms. So first thing is unlabeled data, discovering hidden patterns and structures, insights into data structures. So unsupervised learning algorithms was with unlabeled data where only the input features are provided. So next thing is discovering hidden patterns mean the structure of patterns from the data without explicit guidance, that is known as discovering hidden patterns. Next thing is patterns and structure. The goal of unsupervised learning to discover hidden patterns or interesting structures in the data. Last one is insights into data structure. Data it is a way of understanding the data. Learn is patterns, clusters or reduced dimensional representations. Next thing is supervised learning algorithm categories. So supervised learning algorithm first thing is the linear regression. This linear regression will predict continuous target variable, example predicting house prices based on features like size and location. Next thing is logistic regression algorithm used for to detect spam detection in the email services. Next thing is decision trees. Classify data or predict values by splitting the data based on future values, example customer churn prediction. Next thing is random forest and support vector machines neural networks. So what is random forest? Random forest means improves accuracy and robustness, example predicting loan defaults. Next thing is support vector machines. This support vector machines is for to finding a number of classification of images and data set, etc. Example image classification. Next thing is neural networks. Neural networks mean it is an interconnected of neurons that it can be included to different kinds of layers, input layer, hidden layer, output layers. Models complex patterns and relationship in data. Example image recognition or language translation. Next thing is second category of unsupervised learning algorithm. First thing is k-means clustering algorithm, hierarchical clustering algorithm, principal component analysis. First thing is k-means. K-means is nothing but Clusters based on feature similarity, for example, customer segmentation of data. This is known as K-means clustering algorithm. Next thing is hierarchical clustering. This kind of algorithm organizing a document topics in real words. Next thing is PC, that means principal component analysis. It reduces the dimensionality of data while preserving as much variance as possible. Example, simplifying data for visualization or further analysis. Next one, model evaluation and selection. Some of the parameters is there for model evaluation and selection. So 4 categories of parameters is there. First one is accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. So what is accuracy? Accuracy means measures overall performance of the parameters. Next thing is precision, means measure the model's ability to avoid false positive. Recall means measure the model's ability to avoid false negative. It can be opposite of precision. Last one is F1 score, means balances precision and recall for a more comprehensive measures. Next one is, it is a one part of AI, deep learning. That means deep learning algorithm. It consists of convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory networks, generative adversarial network. That means GANs. What is CNN? CNN means convolutional neural network. They use convolutional layers to detect features like edges, features and pattern. That is known as CNN algorithm. Next thing is recurrent. Recurrent means nothing but allowing them to maintain memory of previous input. That is known as recurrent neural networks. Next one is LSTMs, means long short-term memory networks. It can be capture long-term dependencies and mitigate the vanishing gradient problem. That is known as LSTMs. Last one is GANs. GAN is nothing but it consists of 2 neural networks. One is generator and one is discriminator. Next thing is, again, we are continuing deep learning algorithms, deep leaf networks, DVNS. Generative models with multiple layers of hidden units used to for dimensional reduction. That is known as deep leaf networks. That means feature extraction and classification. Next thing is capsule networks. Capsule networks aim to overcome some interactional or traditional overcome by the CNNs. Next, applications of machine learning. First thing is computer vision, second thing is NLP, third one is robotics, healthcare. Computer vision means already we have discussed image recognition, object detection, image segmentations, video analysis, etc. This is known as computer vision. Next thing is natural language processing, machine translation, text summarization, sentiment analysis, chatbot development. Next one is robotics, means autonomous navigation, robot control, object manipulation, human-robot interaction. Last thing is healthcare, disease prediction and medical diagnosis, drug discovery, personal medicine. Last one is the future of AI and ML. First is cognitive AI power robotics, AI and IoT, I mean Internet of Things, AI and augmented virtual reality. So what is cognitive? Cognitive means AI system will continue to advance in their cognitive abilities. For example, areas like problem solving and decision making. That is known as cognitive AI. Next thing is AI power robotics. It can be used for capable of performing complex tasks and interacting with humans in a more natural ways. Next thing is AI with the IoT. So it can be integrated devices enabling intelligence and autonomous system across various sectors. Last one is AI and augmented virtual reality, AR and VR. AI will enhance AR, VR, creating immersive and personalized environments for entertainment, education and training. Thank you to all.